Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Seriously the Best, and this is a sweet little thank you card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Seriously the Best, and we're going to be using this thanks. I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock. And then I have the largest circle from the Stitched Shapes dies. Just going to cut this. Alright. So we get this. I have my SAFFRON ink pad, and then I have the thanks mounted on clear block D. Alright, so just like that. And then our card base is very vanilla thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I also have the sentiment, "You're seriously the best." And I'm going to ink that up, and that is mounted on block H. And I'm just going to put it here in the center, just like that. And that's all the stamping that we're doing. So now we can put this card together. I have a piece of SAFFRON, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I also have the MOSAIC paper. I don't remember the exact name, but I will put the name on the bottom of the screen. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to adhere this down with some SNAIL adhesive. So just like that. And then next I have the scalloped lace trim, and that is very vanilla. So I'm just going to get that. And I'm going to put that down with some Scotch tape. So we'll put that in the middle. Find that we're making a lot of thank you cards right now. I have multiple ones for like all the doctors and nurses, the grocery market people, alright, so we're going to put that down, and then I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Alright, and I'll take the backs off. Alright, so just like that. And then I have these flower faceted gems. I'm just going to put a couple of these. Now remember, if you are milling it, you might need to add a little extra postage so that the recipient doesn't have to pay. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!